Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move flip across. Now obviously it's going to be really helpful if you know how to do a first move already, link in the description below, but assuming you already know one of those, we're ready to jump straight in. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is possible to do that with a faster timing, and we'll show you that at the end. So let's break it down. Start us off man's left, lady's right, like a normal first move. We go semicircle back, we come in side by side, we open up. Ladies go back right, guys go back left, but we let go with the left hand as we would in an open first move. We guide the lady across in front of us. Probably a good idea to take that front leg out of the way because it makes the distance the ladies have to cover shorter. And we transfer from our right arm to our left arm. Keep the lady turning to her left, and we lead her to do a twist out. She doesn't have to get to the far side of you, you can go part way. And then we bring the lady back, switching back to the right arm, twist out again, and if you like, pick up that hand or finish as an open first move, either works. Then it's just in, under and face, return and back, assuming you picked up the hand. Let's do that the other side so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. We go semicircle back 1, inside by side 2, opening up 3, bringing the lady across the front 4, twisting out the other side, so mirror first move 5, back to face 6, twisting out, picking up the hand 7, prepping 8, turning 1, facing 2, returning 3 and back 4. Back to the other side. Let's see if we can do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move flip across. We go a back, in, open, transfer, twist, prep, turn, face, return and back. Now I promised that I would show you the alternative timing, which is the fast timing. This is one of those things that, because you've speeded up one section, it feels like you're moving noticeably faster during that section compared to the rest of the move. There are a few occasions musically where that makes sense, but most of the time it doesn't feel right when you're dancing. So you need a good musical reason to do something like this, but it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Back, in, flip, 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 prep, turn, face, return and back. And that's it for this time. Hope you've enjoyed it. We will be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. We really appreciate everyone who does that because it helps promote the channel, so really do appreciate that. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.